teachers, and all my dear fellow friends. Today, I, Dakshina Shah from 84, stand before you to support the motion that examinations are not the true measures of intelligence. We have all felt that cold pit in our stomach, sitting in a silent hall, clock ticking, and staring at a piece of paper that claims to define how smart we are. The current education system treats intelligence like a memory card, measuring how much data we can store and retrieve under pressure. But true intelligence is a vast ocean-like landscape, whereas an exam is nothing more than a bucket. It can collect a little bit of water, but it can never represent the depth of the sea. Firstly, exam measures memory, not genuine ability. Most of the exams are snapshots. They capture how a student can perform on a typical Tuesday or Monday. If the student is ill, or certainly an anxious test topper, the measure is instantly flawed. Similarly, let's be honest, we don't actually learn how molecules interact in the real world. We just memorize them and pass a science test. As Albert Einstein famously said, education is what remains after what one has forgotten and what one has learned in school. Why do we cling to this smart system? Because it is easier to grade a piece of paper than it is to nurture a mind. Secondly, exam ignores the theory of multiple intelligence. Standardized testing focuses exclusively on logical mathematical intelligence. But what about the others? The ability to lead and emphasize, the vision of an architect or artist, and the ability to find a third way where the standardized rules doesn't work. Exam focuses on one right answer, yet the most intelligent people in history, the Steve Jobs and Maya Angelou's of the world, succeeded because they found an answer that wasn't on the exam. Basically, we are blaming the poet that they are unintelligent because they can't solve a quadratic equation in 60 seconds. Exams do not measure our intelligence, or your work, or your knowledge. It measures your ability to reshare information in tense conditions and under pressure. Let's be honest. When we fail an exam, we are known to be an idiot. But intelligence is the ability to change, to adapt, and to think creatively. And exams, by contrast, are rigid, static, and narrow. So let us stop asking how smart are you by a test score, but start asking how are you smart in the end. And I would like to end here. Thank you.
With strong points presented, the stage is all set for the next debater. Please welcome Abhishek Paudya with a huge round of applause. Please welcome Abhishek Paudya with a huge round of applause.